Welcome to Learn Haitian Creole like a newborn, to speak it like a native. Today, we're going to conjugate some verbs with Dr. Les. Oops, never mind. There's no conjugation in Haitian Creole, and all verbs are regular, except one, the one that translates to give. To give in Haitian Creole can be translated either by, ba, bon. But how do you know which one to use? Don't worry, we'll show you. You're supposed to use ba in front of those two pronouns, uh, moi and nous. Moi, as you can notice, is the first a singular a person, which is I, moi. The contracted form is which is the am. And the plural is nous, and the contracted form is which is an. So, for example, ban moi l'argent. Give me money. Or you can say, bam l'argent. And the plural would be, ban nous l'argent. Ban l'argent. When do you use the ba form of to give? Use the ba form in front of the second person pronoun you, and the plural is ou. The singular is ou, the plural is yo. The contracted form for ou is w. That one's kind of different, but the plural form doesn't have any contracted form. You have to use yo. Example, ba ou l'argent. Contracted form, ba ou l'argent. And the plural would be ba yo l'argent. Finally, when do you use the by form of to give? Basically, everywhere else, especially at the end of sentences. Example, un nous bijvag. Contracted form, un bijvag. Meaning, let's forget about it. Let's give it up. Un bijvag. Or, combien l'argent pour moi bail? Contracted form, combien l'argent pour m'bail? Meaning, how much money should I give? That's it. All verbs are regular. We keep it very regular. All nice and easy. I hope you liked it. Thank you for your time. Do come back for more. Na wè yon lot fwa. Ciao, ciao.